Welcome guys to my channel. Here you can see you can find every software related videos. You can post your queries what you want to know about. In this video I am going to explain what C or C++ software that you need to develop, that you need to use while learning C or C++ programming language in your academic career. As you can see that all the competitive programs supports GNU compatible compiler. In the Linux it came with inbuilt with the GCC came with, so you not need to install necessary packages. Now it is also we can do the installations through command line in the Linux shell, but in Windows how can we write GNU or GCC compiler, GCC based programs that can be also in the online compilers where like HackerRank or Code Wars, in all sort of university campus placements preparations. Those for those if you want to practice, then you need to install these are the softwares that you need to know. Here you can see that in my works folder you can see that there are basically three softwares. One is dev C++, and you can download it by visiting dev C++ downloads, and here from the source post network. If you open it, here you can download it and you can install it as per the guided setup. And once you're done with it, you can open it by here clicking dev C++, click enter. Once you click, you can create a new source file using by either pressing Ctrl N or here by going through the menus. Click Ctrl N. Here you can write any valid C program, and you can see that it is GCC compatible. That is, you can see that all the valid codes are GCC based. They satisfy the GNU license. So you will, if you practice here, you will not face any difficulty while programming in your online environment. Okay, so this is one suggestion file while developing the C++ programs. Another program is, you can see that here I suggest that code blocks. Code blocks is the most popular and most convenient way to use while developing C program, because it comes with inbuilt project menus, so that you can see that it gives us a project details so that it can be used conveniently. You can see that I suggest you visiting this website codeblocks.org. Once you done with it, here you can see that the left side how consistently it is given us, and on the left panel I will show you in the few minutes later. Here you can see that here it is code blocks. It is written. It is a free ID, C++ ID, and you can download by visiting the downloads page. And from the download page you can see the download binary release. Click on the binary release. Once you reach the binary release, here you click the necessary. But I suggest you prefer the code blocks which is written as minizip setup.exe, because from this you can see that it also came up with the inbuilt GNU compiler, so that it is not necessary to install command line. No need to install command line after the installation if you click no setup. Once you download the minizip setup.exe, you download it and install it. Once you install it, at first a pop-up will come. It will show that how to associate the files. You click associate as C or C++ files. Once you click that, here the code environment, the code blocks is properly installed. It will look like this. You can see that here is code blocks. I click on it and it opened. Just wait for a minute. It takes a few time to open it. Okay, now you can see that the code blocks window is opened. Let me show you what is the profit of using code blocks while developing C or C++ programs. Here you can see that if you go to new menu, here it is that you can also develop the manual C files, or you can using the project wizard. If you click the console application and click on go, here click on next, Here, whether you want to develop a C program or C++ program, it will come with the predefined boilerplate code. I'll show you in action. Here if you choose C and click next, suppose you have to develop the project title. Suppose demo C. You can see that the project file name is demo.cpp, and it's the location where you want to select, where you want to place it. Here it is the location where you want to place. You can choose it as per your convenience. Click on next, click on finish. Here you can see that from the selection lines it shows that it is GNU GCC compiler. Now you click on finish. Yes. Here you can see that it's given that demo. Under the sources folder, you can see that there is a file called main.c. Once you double click on it, it is opened here. It's a demo program, and you can write as per your convenience what are the needs of your program, and you can utilize the libraries that has been implemented here, that is in the GCC, that is compatible with GCC, and you can utilize it here to write your source code. Now let me compile it. You can see that here finally compiled and the message is displayed on the console. Okay, so this is another ID. Another popular ID that I want to show you, here it is here it is CLion. As you know that JetBrains is a popular software company that has been developed for PyCharm for Python programming, and IntelliJ IDEA for Java programming, and CLion. It is more convenient and far better way. Let me go to the installations along with you and tell you how this works. And here you can see that it prompts me to install it. Yes, install it. Let me go to the setup wizards. Here you can see that 64. Based on your operating system, you can see that 64-bit. And I am to use the custom open folder project. Yes, I want to. Now create .c, .h. If you want to develop CPP, you can include .cpp. But I'm interested in developing C program. Let me to include the C++ .cpp. Now develop next. For better inbuilt clarity, you can select all of them. Now click next. Oh, I missed you on this. Now click next. Now install. It takes a quite a moment of time to record this. Let's wait for a moment, and I'll come back when it's complete. So okay, in this way you can install and develop the C programming using these popular IDs, and it will help you to practice enough for your competitive programming programs, and you can, I hope you will get a better success ahead of your family. And please keep support by subscribing our channel, and I hope you are all fine in this post-COVID scenarios, and hope your family remain well. And here you can see that the progress, you can see that all the necessary packages are installed. Once it is done, I will show you how to write programs in CLion, which is a product of JetBrains. As you can see that it is for practice period only. It is you can utilize for 1 month free, then you have to upgrade it. That's why I recommend you suggest use CodeBlocks, which is fairly free, and also the C++. You can also utilize this to develop C++ programming with GNU compatibility, because GNU compatibility is required in the in our competitive programs while developing C or C++ program to solve the programs.